In today's fast-paced world, the art of letting go is more crucial than ever. This video delves into the transformative power of Buddhist principles, emphasizing the importance of release and detachment in achieving mental clarity. By understanding these concepts, we can navigate life's challenges with greater ease and resilience. Letting go isn't just about relinquishing physical possessions, it's about freeing ourselves from emotional burdens and outdated beliefs that hold us back. As we explore these teachings, you'll discover how embracing impermanence can lead to profound insights and a more peaceful existence. Whether you're facing personal struggles or seeking a deeper understanding of your emotions, the wisdom of Buddhism offers valuable guidance. Join us on this journey to uncover the path to mental clarity and emotional freedom through the art of letting go. In order to let go, let's be clear on what letting go is. Letting go is a fundamental practice in Buddhism, defined as the conscious act of releasing attachments and expectations that bind us to suffering. This process encourages us to recognize that clinging to people, possessions, or outcomes can lead to disappointment and distress. By embracing the concept of impermanence, we learn to accept that change is a natural part of life. This practice fosters inner peace and resilience, allowing us to navigate challenges with a calm and open heart. When we let go, we create space for new experiences and insights, enhancing our mental clarity. In daily life, this means approaching situations with a sense of detachment, which helps us respond rather than react. Ultimately, letting go empowers us to live more fully in the present moment, free from the weight of past regrets and future anxieties. Does this mean you should not feel any emotions? No, enjoy the present and don't anticipate the negative. Drop the expectation of how a situation should be and accept it for what it is. The power of detachment. Detachment is a powerful tool for fostering a healthier mindset, and it's important to understand how it differs from indifference. While indifference suggests a lack of care, detachment involves a mindful separation from our emotions and outcomes, promoting emotional well-being. By practicing detachment, we can observe our thoughts and feelings without being overwhelmed by them. For example, when faced with a stressful situation at work, detachment allows us to assess the problem objectively rather than reacting impulsively. This shift can significantly alleviate stress and anxiety, enabling us to respond with clarity and calmness. To cultivate detachment in your personal experiences, start by recognizing when you're overly attached to specific outcomes or emotions. Practice mindfulness techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing, to create space between you and your thoughts. Embracing detachment can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Here are key Buddhist principles for release. Key Buddhist principles play a vital role in supporting the practice of letting go. One of the most fundamental concepts is impermanence, which teaches us that everything in life is transient and constantly changing. Understanding this can help us release our grip on what we cannot control. Another essential principle is non-attachment, which encourages us to appreciate experiences without clinging to them. Notable Buddhist figures, such as Thich Nhat Hanh, emphasize the importance of mindfulness in this process, reminding us that by being present, we can fully experience life without being weighed down by expectations. Thich Nhat Hanh often spoke about the beauty of letting go, urging us to embrace the moment. As you reflect on these principles in your own life, consider how embracing impermanence and practicing non-attachment can lead to greater peace and fulfillment. You might be wondering, how can I just let go? Let's take a look at some techniques that can help you detach from your emotions. To effectively practice letting go, there are several actionable techniques you can incorporate into your daily routine. One powerful tool is mindfulness meditation, which helps cultivate awareness of your thoughts and emotions. By sitting quietly and focusing on your breath, you can observe your feelings without judgment, allowing you to release what no longer serves you. Another effective method is journaling, where you can process your emotions and thoughts on paper. Writing down your experiences can provide clarity and help you identify patterns of attachment. Additionally, regular self-reflection is essential for recognizing areas in your life where you may be holding on too tightly. Set aside time each week to evaluate your feelings and attachments, asking yourself what you can let go of to create more space for growth and peace. In the description of this video are some tools that can help you on your mindfulness journey. These techniques can empower you on your journey toward emotional freedom. Now that you know more about letting go, how can this help with overcoming life's challenges? Letting go can be a transformative approach to navigating life's difficulties. For instance, I once faced a challenging job transition that left me feeling anxious and uncertain. By practicing the art of letting go, I learned to release my fear of the unknown and embrace the opportunity for growth. This shift in perspective allowed me to see challenges not as obstacles, but as stepping stones toward personal development. Many people find that when they let go of their attachment to specific outcomes, they become more resilient in the face of adversity. This resilience stems from the understanding that life is inherently unpredictable, and by accepting this, we can adapt more easily to change. I encourage you to reflect on your own challenges and consider how letting go can empower you to face them with a renewed sense of strength and possibility. In this video, we explored the profound importance of letting go and how it significantly impacts our mental clarity and emotional well-being. We discussed key Buddhist principles like impermanence and non-attachment, which serve as a foundation for this practice. Additionally, we shared actionable techniques such as mindfulness meditation, journaling, and regular self-reflection to help you cultivate detachment in your daily life. By embracing these methods, you can navigate life's challenges with greater resilience and peace. If you found this content valuable, I encourage you to engage with our community by subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from these insights. Together, we can continue to explore the transformative journey of letting go and discover new ways to enhance our lives. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.